Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create your first NFT for free. And in first step you need to install MetaMask, which is a wallet which is available for free. For this you can go to the link in the description, and from there you will reach Google Chrome store and you need to add to Chrome. After download you need to pin the extension and press on the MetaMask icon, and here click get started and create a wallet, and click on I agree, and here you need to create your password. So I'm creating mine. And here there is secret recovery phrase, and this is a group of words you will need to restore your account. So keep this code in a piece of paper in a correct order and store in a safe location. So I'm going to write mine, and after writing, and you need in this page you need to confirm your secret recovery phrase. You need to enter the word in a correct order, and after confirming, mine is ready. So my MetaMask wallet is ready. In step 3 you need to go to OpenSea.io, and you can find link in description. And in OpenSea you need to go to create, and here you need to connect your wallet. And for mine was MetaMask, so I click on MetaMask and pop up from MetaMask, and you need to click next and connect. And you need to sign. Okay, here in this page you are creating your NFT. So let's upload an NFT file. So from my folder I will select an image. I will select this one and upload it, and here I will name it as my first NFT, and external link is for your profile or any other contact, and description I will write this as this is my first NFT, and you can leave this collection as blank and supply one. And for blockchain you need to select Polygon. To create an NFT for free you must select Polygon, and let's create. And here we need to solve an captcha, so let's solve the captcha. Okay, we create our first NFT, and now this is our NFT, and now let's sell this. Click on sell, and we need to set the price. Let's make it 5 Ethereum, and let's complete this listing. Here we need to press unlock and press on and sign it. Again we need to press on unlock as before. We need to click on sign. Okay, here we need to switch the network to Polygon. To switch that, we need to click on switch. And in here we need to click on approve and switch network. And last step, we need to sign it again. And for the last time, we need to click on sign. And now our NFT is listed for sale. And here the price is 5 Ethereum. And now your NFT is open to buy, and everyone can buy your NFT now. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe to this channel if you found this is helpful, and see you in the next video.